Welcome back, my friends. Okay, to piggyback off of my previous video, decluttering. This is the first step to get your home ready to sell. And it's more important than you might think. And here's why. I know I've gone over this several times, but first impressions matter. When potential buyers walk into your home, the first thing that they're going to notice is the space. A clutter-free environment helps them imagine themselves in a home without distractions. It creates a clean, welcoming atmosphere that's easy to envision as their own. Okay, number 2, it makes the rooms look bigger. Excess items that are in a large room can still feel cramped. Decluttering opens up the space and makes it appear larger and more inviting, which can make a big difference in how buyers perceive your home. Okay, number 3, let your home features shine. Okay, you've worked hard to make your home a beautiful space. Now it's time to highlight its best features. Decluttering gives buyers a clear view of your home's layout, architecture, and design elements, helping them focus on what matters most. All right, number 4, easier to stage. Once the clutter is gone, it's easy to stage your home effectively. Staging is the key to showing your property in its best light, and decluttering makes this process much smoother. Okay, number 5. All right, it's gonna help with packing. Come on, let's face it. Moving can be stressful. Decluttering now means fewer things to pack later. Okay, if we haven't met yet, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio, and I am obsessed with where I live and helping you make this place and this area feel like your home. I'm located in Central Ohio, so follow along for all things home, local, fun, and please don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Decluttering is just crucial, and don't forget it's the first step in the selling process. It sets the stage for potential buyers to fall in love with your home. If you need more advice on how to get started, I am right here for you. And don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.